But me and you, which one fatter? So, me I tell you, who can fuck harder? What me and you right now? You can fuck harder. Me I tell you that. You can fuck harder on me. You hear what me say? You can fuck harder on me. I tell you that. Say me tell me about pussy. Look here now, you can't tell me about you.
Rasta, every day me do that. But Kevin, my birthday.
How did that happen?
Where's the Kevin by the rose man for
the breeding?
If he breeding.
Yes.
Kevin breed girl. Kevin breed girl. Twin Kevin I get it now.
But the way you come and sound it, happy I'm still, you know. Boy, you head was big. Yeah?
Bless up Kevin, man.
Come on, bless up my Lord. You might remember you come on your birthday, you know, that's a boy Ray and see them, we give thanks to you.
Get away, go over the truck.
Climb up, clean. I will tell her that they would have followed you and come with.
Jano, my youth. I want to make me a plate, brother. Again, they make me have to come only half guard, brother. My youth, trim, brother. Trim, my youth. Me a bigger that. I want him there.
Chicken.
What him there? Boy, I eat vegetable and pasta and bumbo clad chicken and trent and blood clad pork. I don't know.
Cut the camera, man.
Jaja, youth.
Cut the phone.
Go and sit up for that cash there. Sir Adam. Sir Adam.
What is it?
Sir Adam.
Brother.
Yeah, Radam.
You do.
See man before. Sir Radam.
Go.
You're going to find one that's Sir Radam.
I come from Galville yesterday, and I come to Sparling. And when I come to Sparling, no right taxi man never run from Sparling to keep but they don't want to carry me. Why? They have money, they don't want to carry me. They say me not be able to do there. No, me not be able to do there because I'm in their market. So do that now. But me still trying some perfume and shit for me, I cologne or whatever. You see what I'm saying? But them a try to span go bang me, it's not do. But me, go have to buy one car soon as possible, you see it? Because I don't want no bubble clock, Sparling taxi driver, style me, you see what I'm saying?
How's taxi,
man? I'm
man?
fuck about them again because they not get no more my bumble clock money, you see what I'm saying?
How's taxi, man?
Sparling taxi. Call one. I'm ready night, but me say again. I don't really know. Shabbat son. Who again? Archie. Fuck Archie. Archie put the one. Archie bomb class. So I'm saying. Archie can't talk when he got quote. Archie has dummy. So the judge I go fuck him up. The judge tell Archie says the next time when he come back a court, make sure he say he have a bomb buckler judge. See? Not yet. Look at that.
Yes. Mr. People are beg all kind of things. Mr. People are beg spray pan. Mr. People are beg artists with many different things. You know? Solomon say you must ask for wisdom. Yes. Solomon say you must ask for wisdom. And today, I am begging a church. I am begging for a church. Somebody give me a church. Somebody give me a church. Somebody give me a church. I want to preach my pussy gospel because Jamaica is rapidly becoming a batty country. I want to preach my pussy gospel. Somebody give me a church. Somebody give me a church. I want a church. I want a church to preach my pussy gospel. I want to take my pussy crusade to the world. Right? I want to take my pussy crusade to the world. I want a church. Somebody give me a tent. No, we can't allow Baptism to take over our country. We want the pussy country to remain a pussy country. Jamaica must remain a pussy country. Yes. Jamaica must remain a pussy country. Somebody give me a church. Me soon in a church a fight the offering. Me soon in a church I married 2 men and 2 women. Wanna give me the church then now? Make me sure no one of you doing at the church. Right? Me a beg on a church. Una can't say una.
Fish know you a baddie, man.
Yeah, man, want to go and fish, and then no, me go buy fish and eat. You know them bumbo clock there, if you're a batty man, you're a batty man. No fish none of this thing. Because fish me buy from sea, then swim in about swim around a blood clot, you fuck body, you fuck.
How much sense you have?
Ask me nothing. How much sense better than some you have?
Yeah.
Walk, eat, drink, cook, run, smile, talk to man. And why pussy? I don't know how sense me have.
You don't know sense you. Yeah.
Better fuck about truth, brother.
Yeah, like you the truth.
6 1 man used to tell the man about truth, brother.
So I truth that time.
Yeah, mad man, brother. How much man me licking at them face? Pour up more Walter man, send them
Yeah,
yard
but
man,
Jerry
yet them about
beat
Jerry,
you.
brother. Brother, you deaf. Ask I man them and bum buckler people them over the yard, brother. Stop a video no one looking at brother.
Put your back in your hand now.
Blood clot, how old is you?
Can't let me know.
You can't drive?
Hold on now.
Yo.
We are by your license by your son. You don't go.
So you know hold up your mouth like.
Special vehicle, boy.
Yeah?
We can't let me know.
Yeah.
I let me know. Blood tower in your balcony.
The man there by the back and the man out of the center.
Blood clot!
Yo, you puffy mouth.
Are you twin? D&G.
Say me no want no friend from no boy, no time.
No Billy good as
No,
you
I know that we don't make it just blow up on me, no.
Looking at my face if you
You say just blood clot, make it blow up on me and say me no chop up your blood clot right here, so. I think say me I look for people, you know, boy.
You flat out to me, no man. No one in the head, you know. Yo, I show you I'm only madman if I want to jelly me send you.
Yo, go on way up because we chop up your blood clot. Give me that a ramping, you know. We chop off your blood clot, you hear me tell you, boy.